guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have some toy. I think these that have a toy surprises. I got two Wonder Mates plus prizes. I got the Poppy from Trolls and the Mickey Mouse one. Mickey and Friends. It's like this one has a coin surprise and this is a Poppy and toy surprise. So might be lucky which troll we get in this one and whatever coin from Mickey and Friends we get in this. And I have a treasure supply surprise. Maybe collect one of the ponies from My Little Pony. And also I got the baby bottle pop. Like something special. It's like a watermelon flavored. So I'm gonna open these three up, cut these three toy surprises up. So first I'm gonna start with kiss this one. Okay. Whoa. Hey. Whoa! Ugh, I need to get off this chest. Okay, we got three. We got the Hershey Kisses. And we got Twilight. And we got Twilight Sparkles. So I'm cute right here. I'm gonna open this opener. We fish got Twilight Sparkles, the princess. Monkey right in this blue chest. So yeah. Okay, so next up we're going to open up Mickey and Friends box. Looks like we got a surprise coin. We got the Mickey coin. So before we eat this, we want to keep a Mickey. And now last but not least, the Poppy Troll one. So I could get either of these. I think one of these two goes into the box in this box probably. But I bet one of these are. So let's open this one up. Let's see who we have. Let's see which troll we have. And we got the two twins, and they are. No, I forgot the names. Yeah, so I got Satin and Chenille. And came with just like a string here. So probably I might have to tie it. Like, I don't know, but it can't just for some reason. I don't know what it goes with. Probably to like right here, I tie it. It might be like a little keychain part, but we got Satin and Chenille. Put it here. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button and hit the notification bell so you guys won't miss any videos. Bye bye.